Hello everyone, today we've got here Infinix Zero 40 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So to enter the code you need to open your phone gallery. So once you've got keypad in front of you, we can start. The first one that I want to show you is pretty short, it's *#06#. As you can see, this one will show you both email and serial number assigned to your device, so it's a truly useful code. Tap on OK to exit and we can smoothly go to another one. So now let's enter *##, #225, #**, and here we've got the calendar info. So from now on, all upcoming events can be checked right here. They are all right in front of you, so you don't have to go through all calendars that you have. Just enter the code and see what's happening next. And another code that you can use here is *##, *426, #**. Here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. If you want to know a bit more, just select advanced view and here you've got it. So this is it. Obviously all the codes can be entered the same way, so just open your keypad and provide them here. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.